massage, there is no such like specific or proper YouTube videos for it, but there is one channel called, so I would not completely tell you all to rely on these YouTube channels only. I would first prefer that you all go and read your textbooks first, मतलब जो उसमें explain किया है, try to understand that, try to gain knowledge from that, as this comes in physiology as well as in kinesiotherapy too. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Simardeep Kaur Sahani this side, yours truly, the Physio Medic. So yes, I'm back with yet another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be telling y'all or recommending y'all YouTube channels which will be helpful for y'all in your physiotherapy practical examinations or practical sessions. So I had made earlier and similar kind of a video and y'all seem to love that. So yes, I am back with another part of it, and in this video I'll be telling you mostly about the physiotherapy subjects, that is the kinesiotherapy, electrotherapy. So I'll be recommending y'all YouTube channels that y'all can refer for these subjects, and iska hi practical exams hota hai, so it will be helpful for y'all. So we'll go like topic wise. तो I'll tell one topic and उसके related आप जो भी YouTube channel देख सकते हो या refer कर सकते हो which would be useful for you all. So let's see which YouTube channels we have, and I hope that you all find this one useful too. So let's get started. Firstly, starting with passive movements, active movements. As you all know, you all have that topic in your practical examinations. So which YouTube channels you all can refer for the passive movements, active movements or resistive movements wala topic. First is the physical therapy KKU. I'll mention somewhere over here also the name of the channel along with its logo so that it's easier for you all to find, and I'll also even give you all the link of the channel in my description box, so check that out. So first is the physical therapy KKU, and for the theory part you all can refer the Physio's Healing Touch. Okay, so there are many channels on YouTube where you all can find the passive movements ke videos, but I think physical therapy KKU has explained in detail with all the contraindications, indications, and what are the stepwise process to perform the practicals, and it is like oriented exam wise, matlab the where the teacher is explaining to students how to perform in exams. So I had referred that, so you all can check that out. I found it helpful, so I think you all might even find it helpful. And for the theory part, agar aap log ko chahiye, if you all want to understand theory better so that you all can speak more in the practicals, then you all have the Physio's Healing Touch, so you all can check her videos too. Okay, so this was for the passive movements, active movements or resistive movements. Okay, now for massage, there is no such like specific or proper YouTube videos for it, but there is one channel called physios.co.uk. So on their channel you can find like the different techniques which we use in massage, like the kneading, vibrations and everything. So they have like shown the method how to perform those techniques. So if you all are confused कि कैसे perform करना है, क्या method है वो technique perform करने का, then you all can like watch their videos, but you all won't find a proper explanation and theory on their channel. But अगर आप लोग को technique देखना है, then you all can refer their video. Okay, now coming to goniometry. So goniometry के लिए you all have like two channels. One is the international one, that is the Physical Therapy Education Solutions. So yeah, बहुत बड़ा नाम है, Physical Therapy Education Solutions. On their channel you all will find like each and every joint ka goniometry. They have explained very well and performed also, so you all can watch that. But if you all want in a very simpler language or process, मतलब step by step process क्या है उसका वो explain किया हुआ चाहिए हिंदी, like from the Indian point of view, then you all can watch this GPTC Jamnagar. I think it's an college ka page, physiotherapy college ka page, but they have like made goniometry videos and explained very well. So if you all want, you all can refer that. It is easier to understand as compared to the international ones. So there are two for goniometry, Physical Therapy Education Solutions, and the other is GPTC Jamnagar. Okay, so you all can refer these two channels for goniometry. Now coming to suspension therapy, you all can refer the Physio Trends ka page. They have like explained in detail कि कैसे होता है suspension therapy, like how to कैसे परफॉर्म करते हैं प्रैक्टिकली सस्पेंशन थेरेपी, वो पूरा अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया है. सो यू ऑल कैन रेफर दैट फॉर सस्पेंशन थेरेपी. सो नाउ कमिंग टू द रिफ्लेक्सेस, सेंसरी सेंसेशंस, एंड अगर ये सब टॉपिक से रिलेटेड आपको अगर वीडियोस देखने हैं टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू परफॉर्म लाइक प्रैक्टिकली, जैसे क्रेनियल नर्व के असेसमेंट हो गए वो सब, as this comes in physiology as well as in kinesiotherapy too. So you all can refer the MBBS physiology channel on YouTube. So they have like explained कि कैसे कौन सा परफॉर्म करते हैं, how to perform sensation वाला टेस्ट, cranial nerve assessment कैसे करते हैं, reflexes कैसे चेक करते हैं. So they have explained everything. So you all can refer their channel MBBS physiology. Okay. Now if you all have MMT in your syllabus, that is the manual muscle testing for practicals, then you all can refer the educated PT and the physical therapy education solution. These two channels have like shown very well to how to perform the MMT and what is the stepwise process and everything. So you all can refer these two channels for MMT if you all have it in your portion. Mostly second years might have this, not first year. So you all can refer if you are a second year student. Okay. Now for electrotherapy, I would refer to ओनली द टेक्स्ट बुक क्लेटन और जगमोहन, बिकॉज उसमें बहुत ईजी लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है एंड इट्स ईजियर टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड यू ऑल कैन लाइक say what is there in the textbook. So I don't think there is as much need in electrotherapy, but if you want to understand the working of the like modalities or how to like say, so you all can refer Physio's Healing Touch and Suneet Physiotherapist. So these two are the YouTube channels that you all can refer for electrotherapy. So yeah, these two were for the electrotherapy. So these were the YouTube channels that you all can refer for your practical examinations. So I would not completely tell you all to rely on these YouTube channels only. I would first prefer that you all go and read your textbooks first. मतलब जो उसमें explain किया है, try to understand that, try to gain knowledge from that. And but if still you all have like difficulty in understanding the techniques कैसे perform करना है, step wise process क्या है, अगर आपको hand placements क्या है, अगर आपको उसमें problem आ रहा है कुछ, या फिर you all are not able to understand the hand placements कहाँ पे है, कैसे perform करना है एक technique को, then you all can refer YouTube channels for your understanding. But firstly read the textbook of reference for practical exams and then go to YouTube channels and it will be really helpful for you all. So these were the YouTube channels. I'll tell you all the physio.co.uk for massage, physical therapy KKU and Physio's Healing Touch for passive movements, then Physical Therapy Education Solutions and GPTC Jamnagar for goniometry, Physio Trends for suspension therapy, MBBS Physiology for reflexes, sensations, then Educated PT and Physical Therapy Education Solution for MMT, and Physio's Healing Touch and Suneet Physiotherapist for electrotherapy. So these were the YouTube channels. I guess these are more than enough for your practical examinations in first and second year. अगर आपने ये भी channels के videos देख लिए एंड अगर आपने टेक्स्ट बुक्स भी रीड कर लिया अच्छे से और आपने अगर कॉलेज के प्रैक्टिकल सेशंस में अच्छे से ध्यान दिया है, इट विल बी मोर देन इनफ फॉर यू ऑल टू स्कोर गुड इन प्रैक्टिकल एग्जामिनेशंस. ओके, एंड इफ यू ऑल हैव लाइक प्रॉब्लम कि कैसे बोलना है, कैसे प्रेजेंट करना है, क्या क्या पॉइंट्स बोलने हैं, देन यू ऑल कैन रिफर द हाउ टू स्टडी फिजियोथेरेपी सब्जेक्ट्स वाला वीडियो ऑन माई चैनल. यू ऑल विल फाइंड इट इन माई वीडियोज़ वाला सेक्शन. यू ऑल कैन गो एंड वॉच देयर और आई पुट द लिंक इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स टू. और ये सब चैनल्स के भी मैं आपको लिंक डाल दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, सो दैट इट्स ईजियर फॉर यू ऑल टू चेक इट आउट. ओके, so these were the YouTube channels for physiotherapy subjects के practical examinations. I hope that you all find it helpful and you all find it easier to understand. So yeah, and I will be uploading more YouTube channel के recommendations which will be helpful for you all in the further years too. जैसे clinical cases के जो YouTube channels आपको मिल सकते हैं, and और भी assessment based YouTube channels which will be helpful for you all. So I will be putting videos on that too. So make sure that you all have subscribed to my channel and make sure that you all please do like, share, comment and show your love on this video so that I stay motivated to post more and more videos. So yeah, so that was it for this video. I hope you all found it useful and all the best for your practical examinations and see you all in more videos. Bye.